business entrepreneur. This is Queen I Commission
representing the province of Batangas.
Secondary education major in English at Manila University. This is Danica Fermin Garcia, Tacloban, City of Leyte. An entrepreneur, Jewel de Lima, and Sa Cavite.
Business owner of an aesthetic clinic and crowned as your Queen Philippines Universe. This is Queen Kirk Verdudozu Popiolek, 23, Tagulwan, Misamis Oriental.
Taking a fashion designing from Fashion Institute of the Philippines, I'm Queen Monique Espino, representing Pasig City.
Studied Bachelor of Arts, major in Sociology in the University of San Carlos, and now a thriving entrepreneur for Prince Hotels. Adriana Libroniaga from the Heaven of Earth, Alito, Palawan.
A proud independent woman. This is Catalina Johnson, and I am representing Municipality of Bawang, Probinsya ng La Union.
A graduating student taking a Bachelor's of Science in International Travel and Tourism Management, a makeup artist and content creator. Andy Amante, proudly representing City of San Pablo, Province of Laguna.
graduated at the University of Manila, took a Bachelor of Science, Hotel and Restaurant Management, and now a TV presenter and a host. This is Anne Patricia Lorenzo Diaz, representing Mahal Kong Maynila.
Graduate of Bachelor of Physical Education, cum laude. This is Angel Castillo, 22, proudly representing City of Ilagan, Province of Isabela. Bachelor of Fine Arts and Design, this is Dane Aspuria, Cavite City.
A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management at Universidad de Manila. This is Jessie De La Cruz, representing Intramuros Port Area, City of Manila.
An engagement professional, took a Bachelor in Integrated Arts, major in Broadcast Communication. My name is Pia Nepomuceno from Makati City.
Graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science at Northwestern Mindanao State College of Science and Technology, and a proud farmer. I am Chloe De La Cruz Pinatacan, representing Municipality of Tambulig, Province of Zamboanga del Sur.
A licensed chemical engineer, taking up Masters of Science in Chemical Engineering, minor in Environmental Science at the University of the Philippines. A professional tattoo artist and a philanthropist by heart. This is Kishan Santiago Garcia, proudly representing Makati City.
graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in Programming, and a Trans Health Project Coordinator in Iloilo. Amber Lopez, Province of Iloilo.
Communication student, major in broadcasting at Western Mindanao State University. This is your Queen Ian Ginanang Fox from the Asia's Latin City, Ciudad de San Juan.
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, a proud cum laude at the STI College Balayan, and an owner of an aesthetic clinic. This is Risto May Guzman, proudly representing Alae, Batangas Province.
Major in broadcasting, this is your Queen Liza Convento, proudly representing Noveleta, Cavite.
Graduated of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, this is your Angel Bautista, 19, Cavite City!
Professional makeup artist, 25 years in pageantry. I am Queen Alaluhimor, representing the Mayon Volcano, Albay.
Graduate of Bachelor of Science Tourism Management in Our Lady of Fatima University. This is Shanra Hiresa, representing Antipolo City.
I studied Bachelor of Arts in Mass Communication. This is Nicole Guevara Flores proud to represent Subic, province of Zambales.
Studying Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management from Immaculate Conception College, Gazini Cristiano Jordi, Lian, Batangas.
Graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, a former news writer at the CNN Philippines, and currently a lifestyle journalist at Philstar Life, the digital lifestyle arm of the Philippine Star. I am Jonil Perino Acebuche, Mandaluyong City.
Queen Maria Nacoles, a registered nurse, Cebu.
Carla, ano kaya? Your Miss International Queen, Philippines, o Miss Occidental?
Bachelor of Fine Arts in Batangas University. This is Angel Fajardo Garcia, representing Batangas.
A business owner and endorser, I am Michelle Bermudez, representing Santa Maria, Bulacan.
A professional makeup artist, Rafa Manalang Ilato, San Rafael, Bulacan.
I may be the smallest, but I stand the tallest with flying colors. As a graduate of Humanities and Social Sciences in San Beda University and earned my bachelor's degree in Mapua University as a consistent academic scholar and currently taking my master's degree in digital marketing. This is your Queen, Jeff Della Serna, proudly representing my very own Tayo na sa Antipolo.
graduate of Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies in the University of Camarines Norte with academic distinction, worked closely with non-government organizations in my province. This is Lorene Mabesayu, proud and honored as I represent the gateway to Bicolandia, Camarines Norte.
Graduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in Technology and Livelihood Education, and now a proud licensed professional teacher. This is Nal Bangan Laiko from the beautiful province of Nueva Ecija.
Senior high school student, I am Mikay Bautista, province of Bulacan.
Brand owner and the CEO of Cagandang Lopez Beauty Lounge. This is Queen Mayaro Lopez, 30, from the municipality of Miagao, province of Iloilo.
Scholar and a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biology at De La Salle University, Manila. This is Andy Alusada Alaba, representing City of Manila. Graduate of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in MAPE. I am Nicole Sally, proud to represent the city of Zamboanga.
Taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at Isabela State University Hawaiian Campus. This is Queen Lixa Labuanan, proudly representing the Queen Province of the North, Province of Isabela.
I studied Humanities and Social Sciences, a model and an entrepreneur. My name is Casey Gidori, Davao City. Communications graduate, my name is Paris Biel Garcia, representing Tarlac.
Taking a Bachelor of Science, Secondary Education, major in Accountancy Business Management. This is your Queen, AC Somartino Cortez, representing